In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mermaid in Obsidian. If you're someone who loves visualizing data or processes, Mermaid is a fantastic tool that can help you create diagrams and flowcharts directly in Obsidian. It's straightforward and doesn't require any additional plugins, making it accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. So let's dive right in. First, ensure that you have the Obsidian app installed on your computer. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app that allows you to organize your thoughts and ideas in a connected and dynamic way. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Obsidian website, download, and install it for your operating system. Once you have Obsidian set up, open the app. You'll be greeted with your vault, which is essentially your workspace containing all your notes. Next, navigate to the note where you want to include your mermaid diagram. If you don't have a specific note in mind, you can create a new one by clicking on the New Note button. Once you've selected the note, you need to create a code block. This is done by typing 3 backticks, which is the key usually found above the Tab key on your keyboard. When you do this, you'll see a code block appear, indicating that you're ready to input some code. Mermaid is natively supported in Obsidian, so you don't need to worry about installing any plugins. However, it's important to be in either live preview or reading view to see the rendered diagrams. This ensures that your diagrams are displayed correctly. In the first line of your code block, type the word mermaid. This tells Obsidian that what follows is mermaid syntax, which will be used to generate the diagram. Now, on the subsequent lines, type in the code for your mermaid diagram. Mermaid uses a simple text syntax, allowing you to create flowcharts, sequence diagrams, and more with just a few lines of text. For example, if you're creating a simple flowchart, you might write something like graph TD, A, B, A, C, B, D, C, D. Once you've entered your code, simply press enter and you should be able to see your mermaid diagram rendered in real time. This immediate feedback allows you to make any necessary adjustments and see the results instantly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now easily integrate mermaid diagrams into your Obsidian notes, enhancing your visual storytelling and helping you convey complex information in an easily digestible way. Thank you for watching, and happy diagramming with Mermaid in Obsidian.